Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Now today's topic, last time we learned about advantages of an e-commerce and right now from today we are going to learn limitations of e-commerce. Limitations means disadvantages. Okay. Now the first disadvantage of your e-commerce is that resistance to change. Resistance to change means normally we are using a traditional business. Apart from all these things, suddenly if we are moving to e-commerce, as you know that we are having paperless transactions. That means in a traditional business we were having the bills and books. Okay, so our what we used to do, we used to keep that in a file or in a paper. Such transaction we used to do. But now from e-commerce, what we are having, we are going to have a paperless transaction, and paperless transaction, as you know, that PDF formats will be there, or Word format, any other formats will be there, which will be stored in your computer or in a mobile phone. Okay, so it is for new generation, it is very easy to cope up with that. But for your older generation, that means your dads or your grandpa, they will be more familiar with the paper transaction rather than paperless transaction. So this is the first limitation of an e-commerce, that is your resistance to change. Next is your initial cost. Initial cost means what happens, as you know that in each and every startups, that means in each and every business we need a capital. Capital means the first investment we used to do. In this case, e-commerce, we have to invest on your softwares and hardware. Software and hardware means what happens, we have to make a website, and from that particular website we need to pay for that server, and this all knowledges we need to that. Okay, so each and every time whenever we are doing and recent updated technologies, this should be there, and for that we need a initial cost, and this is your another disadvantages of your e-commerce, that is your initial cost. Next is just security. Security means, as you know, that nowadays unauthorized logins are many occurring. That means, suppose if I'm using my account, in between, if I someone tries to hack my account and they tries to log in, if I'm having an account in Amazon, okay, imagine one of my friend, he's trying to log in with my account. So what happens? My whole data will be there. In case, in case if he is using to burn any misuse purpose, what happens? It can lead to many other insecurities. This is your another disadvantage. That is your security. Security means that means in e-commerce, security is the main concern. Next is your privacy. Privacy means there are many chances that whenever each and every time whenever we are trying to log in, whenever we are trying to log in, what happens? We used to give our ID and passwords. After entering the ID and password, we used to purchase something. Suppose if for purchasing, I have to enter my bank details, PAN cards, Aadhaar card, many details we have to enter. Suppose in case if someone tries to hack my account, then the whole data will be lost. That means my piracy will not be there, privacy will not be there. In that case, my accounts details, that means the data will be lost. This is your another main disadvantage of your e-commerce, that is your privacy. That means each and every time whenever we are trying to log in, our data are being uploaded to the server. Okay, so this leads to hacking, and this leads to what happen, our data will be leaked. This is your main disadvantage of your e-commerce. Next is your lack of trust. Lack of trust means we are not doing any face-to-face transactions. As you all know that if we are having doing transactions with our friend, so what happens? We know that he's our good friend. He won't be doing any cheating. So we used to carry forward. In case, in case, if we are not seeing any face-to-face, we are not seeing any person, and we are doing non-face transactions, what happens? We are sharing our details. The opposite party, they can mislead our data. This is your another disadvantage of your the e-commerce. That means we are not having any trust. And the best example I can say that whenever we are ordering something from our e-commerce, that means online, we used to give cash on delivery, because as a human being, it's a human mentality that we don't trust. In case if I, after paying online, we are having fear that that product might not be coming to our home. So what we used to prefer cash on delivery, that is a COD. This is the main disadvantage, that is your lack of trust. Next is your time for delivery of products. Time for delivery of products means, suppose if I want to buy a shirt, okay, in case what happens if I want to go for tomorrow's party. Suppose in case if I wanted to go tomorrow, if I'm ordering today, what happens? The whole transaction, after completing the transaction, it will be taking around 3 to 4 days for getting that particular delivery. And this is your another disadvantage of your e-commerce, that is your time for delivery of your products. The, and the best example, if I'm saying that if I'm purchasing any mobile phone or any electronic gadgets, okay, if we are purchasing any electronic gadgets. So as you know that we won't be delivering it your next day itself. It will be taking 3 to 4 days time. This is your another disadvantage. That means it will be taking 3 to 4 days, particular time period, then only they will be delivering our products. This is another disadvantage of your e-commerce. And one more example I can give that if you're purchasing any fruit, fruits and vegetables, it will be also taking some time. But right now, it has due to recent technologies and research, fast server, we are able to gather it. And this is your another disadvantage of your e-commerce. Again, I'm repeating the disadvantage of your limitation or disadvantage of your e-commerce. The first one is your resistance to change. Resistance to change means what happens? We are going to for your paperless transactions. Okay, so it is very difficult for suddenly if you are moving from paper to paperless transaction, it is very difficult to cope up with that. This is your first disadvantage. Second thing is your initial cost. As you know, as I told you before, due to new technologies, we need more investment on our hardware and software, and we have to get the complete details on it. This is your second disadvantage. Next is your security. Security purpose means what happens, we are in e-commerce, in an online website. If we are entering our data, security and privacy both are almost same. That means what happens if we are entering our data, okay, our personal data means your bank details, Aadhaar card or PAN card, such details won't be safe because it is directly uploaded to your server. In future, there is chances that the hacker, it might be get hacked. This is your another disadvantage, that is your security and privacy. Next is your lack of trust. Lack of trust, as you know that we are not doing any face-to-face transaction. So what happens in future? We are not having any trust. That means if we are doing face-to-face transaction, then only we will be, get to know how the person is. But in case if you're doing the non-face-to-face transaction, what happens? We are not having any trust on that particular party. So another best example I can say that uh, cash on delivery. That means we, as a human mentality, we used to get a fear that after purchasing, in case if the particular product is not delivering to our home, even though after paying the online transaction, this is a fear we are having. So what we Indians or we human beings, we used to do, we used to do cash on delivery every time, so that if the product doesn't come, our cash will be safe. Next is your time from delivery of your products. Time for delivery of the products means, as you know that if you are buying any fruits and vegetables, it will be taking some time. And as you know that fruits and vegetables, it is very difficult for storage. That means it can get rotten during your summer times or any other seasons. So if this is your disadvantages of your e-commerce. I hope you all understood what today's topic.